How to fix the Google Play payment decline error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When you're trying to move on with the subscription and payment and it is showing this error, here is a fix that you can try. To get started with, open your Google Play Store and once that is done, tap on your profile on the top right. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and tap on Payment Methods. This problem could be with the payment details. So try to add a credit card or debit card. Once this is done, relaunch and move on with the payment. Or what you can do is click on More Payment Settings, which will open the browser. From here, you can add the debit or credit card for your GPay. This should work. However, if it does not, the next step you need to do is clear the cache of the application. In order to do so, long press your Play Store. After that, go to App Info. Once that is done, tap on Storage and Cache, and then clear the cache. Once that is done, relaunch the application again, and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.